Bruxism is a scientific way of saying that there's a lot of wear on the teeth. Often that's because of chewing habits the patient may or may not be aware of. The signs may be that you're waking up with a headache or tenderness in your jaw. Sometimes the only sign is something that your dentist or your dental team will notice, and that's heavy wear on the teeth, where they're looking flatter, and maybe even the second layer of tooth, which is more of a golden color, is starting to show. The easiest way to start treatment for bruxism is to protect your teeth at night. Here at Stone Street Dental, we make custom-made night guards that precisely fit and distribute the forces on the teeth to protect them better.